What's up guys, it's been a minute. So I just got to Pure Skin Cosmetics to get my facials done, to get a facial. I actually haven't had a facial in almost a year. I remember the last time I actually had facials was last year Jan. So yeah, it's been quite a lot guys. So Taryn just applied a numbing cream on my face. I actually feel a little bit stiff, so she applied numbing cream on my face, and I'm just gonna chill for about 30 minutes before she comes in and she does the Derma pen. It's quite intense, so you definitely need the the numbing cream. You can't do it without any numbing cream guys, like it's very intense. So yeah, I think when I'm done here, actually I have to go to Santon guys. There is a sale right now happening at Jimmy Choo, Burberry, Versace, and is it Yawa? There's a new store by Diamond Warp, Yawa. I think there was also a sale there. I think Yawa sells Off-White and a few other international designers. So yeah, currently running a sale, and I'm going to head out and go there. So as soon as I'm done here, I'm just gonna go home and drop off a couple of things that I have. I actually have my iPad with because I want to do a little bit of work, and then I'm going to head straight to Santon. It's stunning.
And you know, at least it's an investment.
Burberry. It has this beautiful soft leather inside. Oh, okay. But how do you open this? Oh, I see. Look at this beauty.
Oh, is he good?
I'm good. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you.
So it's 17 from 29, eh?
Mastelo blonde say that thing it will have back to normal price. But they reduce it to 70 if I move.
Jesus. I'm obsessed. Damn. What's up, guys? So I am heading out to Louis Vuitton to go collect my on the go. I believe I told you guys that they actually sent me an SMS. They also sent me an email saying that my bag has arrived. So I'm just going to head out now. I'm already late for my appointment, but it's fine. I'm like, 10 minutes away. So yeah, I'll get there just now. Quick outfit details. I'm wearing this t-shirt. I'll show it to you guys. I'm wearing this t-shirt from Identity. I'm wearing my Zara pants, which I love so much. And then I have this, my YSL BB, my beauty. And then I've got the Louis Vuitton mules. Let me show it to you guys properly. So yeah, that's the outfit. What's up, guys? Good morning. So guys, I am heading out for breakfast. I think we're going to Doppio Zero. I'm doing breakfast with hubby. A quick outfit check. So I'm wearing this jumpsuit from Witchery. You guys have probably seen this in one of the previous vlogs or one of the previous fashion try on haul, and I'm just going to take my YSL bag and of course the Louis Vuitton slides. What's new? So yeah, we're just going out for a quick bite, and I have to come back, edit this video. And before I start editing this video, actually I have to show you guys what I got from Louis Vuitton, just the other item as well yesterday. So I went to Louis Vuitton yesterday to fetch my LV on the go. So I'll show that to you guys when I come back. How am I a troublemaker? What's up, guys? So, we are back and it is scorching hot. Guys, what a feature. It is so hot, it's actually crazy. What a feature, guys. Anyway, so let me do a quick unboxing for ya. Obviously, you know what it is. There's a fragrance in here, and I also have 2 samples in here. This is actually the fragrance for men. It's called Ombre Nomade. Ombre Nomade. So I'm just going to quickly show you guys what I got. And they had more samples. Guys, this lady that assisted me gave me 2 samples. She gave me Spell on You. It smells very nice. I don't want to just buy fragrances for the sake of buying them, but this is one of the fragrances that I'm very interested in getting. And she also gave me Le Sapple roses. This is the male version of the one that I got for males. So this is what it looks like. It's the black one basically. Yeah, it smells very, very nice. Like, you know, it has oud. So with oud, obviously, you know it's very long lasting. So this is Matière Noire. I think that's how they pronounce it. Matière Noire. Okay. How do I, let me see if I can find a pair of scissors. Okay, there we go. And with Louis Vuitton fragrances, guys, you can actually engrave your name. I just don't I like to do that. But if you wanted to, if you were to, like, you know, gift someone the fragrance, you know, you can actually engrave their name, like on the fragrance, like here. So this is the fragrance, guys. I've used the sample for this, and it smells very rich. It smells very luxurious. Let me see if there's if I can find the notes in here. Nah, doesn't really say much. But yeah, I've used the sample for this, guys, and it smells very, very nice. It's very refreshing. You know those fragrances that are just so refreshing and very different? Like, I love it. It smells very beautiful. So yeah, that's what I got. And this fragrance was 4,550. So they also have, like, you know, the fragrances with the new, like, you know, from the new collection with the beautiful hat. I call it a hat. Basically, the lid of the fragrance looks like, you know, it's like a hat. So those fragrances, I believe, they go for like 8,000. I just feel that they actually just sell in the bottle more than, like, you know, the actual perfume. But most of them, I've tried out all the samples, not all, but most of the samples, and they smell very, very nice. But I don't know, man, I still have a couple from, like, you know, the old collection that I actually still want to try out. So I don't think I'm going to be spending like 8,000 on a fragrance as yet. So yes, this was 4,550. I think it's certainly reasonable for a fragrance from Louis Vuitton. And then guys, this is not new. This is not new. I'm acting like this is new, but it's actually not new. You guys know this item. But I'm just so excited. What is this? They even gave me like a receipt. Oh. Repair. So the receipt is just written repair, and then the total amount is 00. So there you go. It's just written repair, total amount like 00. I think it's just, they basically just say that they are not charging me for this repair. I got my baby bag. Oh, guys, I've missed this bag so much. Like, I've missed it so much. And these are the straps actually that I wanted Louis Vuitton to repair. They look so brand new. They look, I think they actually gave me new straps, guys. No, guys, they certainly gave me new straps, because these, I thought they were just going to, like, you know, repair them somehow. Maybe using, like, you know, those glue for leather or for fabric. But it looks like they've actually just replaced the entire, like, you know, both of these straps. So I'm quite happy with the service that I received from Louis Vuitton. In case you're wondering why I had this bag repaired. So I was traveling in June, and I was in Istanbul, and yeah, a little accident happened. My luggage bag literally, like, you know, ran over these straps, and then this side of the strap, actually, it's very delicate. So this side, both, like, you know, both these straps, this small part of the strap actually got a little bit damaged. It wasn't obviously, it was like, not noticeable at all, but because I know the back, like, I could instantly see the little marks. And I took it into Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton said that they will fix it for free. So they had to ship it all the way to Paris for it to get fixed. So I think I took it in November, towards the end of November, I believe, or beginning of December. So it took approximately like a month and a couple of weeks. So under 2 months. So they initially said that it's going to take up to 3 months to fix it. So I was expecting the bag probably like, around end of Feb or mid-March. But I think they just say that so that, you don't rush them. So yeah, it took just approximately a month and a couple of weeks. I'm quite happy, guys, with the service that Louis Vuitton offers. And I think that is one of the reasons, guys, I actually buy Louis Vuitton. Or one of the reasons why I actually love luxury, but most especially Louis Vuitton, because they don't really give you hassles when you have to, take your stuff in to actually get it repaired. So yeah, I love it. I'm putting it back in the in the dust bag. So yeah, guys, I think I'm just going to leave this video right here. I don't want it to be too long. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Stay blessed.